Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at another interesting accessory that was sent out to me by Start RC. This is a neck mount. Now this is designed for the Pocket 3, for the Gopro, for the Action 5, all of those different type of action cameras. Now according to what I've been told, in the box you're going to get a number of accessories. It's going to work with different devices. So let's take a look at exactly what comes in the box. All right guys, so as we can see here, we have the mount, we have the neck strap right here. This has the carbon steel wire inside of it. It also comes with some other accessories. Let's take a look at those to see exactly what we get. All right, so we're going to get a thumb screw. There's another thumb screw. This part right here looks like it is a harness for the Pocket 3. Yes, that's what that is for the Pocket 3. Okay. What else do we get? We also receive a 1/4 to GoPro mount. If you guys don't know what that is, let me show you. That is going to be this little 1/4 that you see here with the standard GoPro mount on it. That's going to be great for any of your cameras that require 1/4. So you get that in the box as well. Like I said, you get all of the different little thumb screws. They look to be the same size. So let's take a closer look at one of those. All right, so here's our thumb screw. Feels nice in the hands. All right, so the way this works is that you would attach this around your neck, like so, and then you can kind of bend this into whatever kind of shape you need it for, and then you're going to clip it together. So before we do that, let's attach this GoPro to it. So we're just going to pull out our little GoPro feet from underneath here. And then we're going to take this component here and we're going to connect it to the GoPro just like so. So we can take now the screw, pop that guy in there. Now you can also purchase a waist belt for this. It has the two little holes right here at the bottom. So if you do get one of the waist belts, that's just to kind of secure it a little bit better when you're walking. All right, so the way this works is this just clips in like so on either side around your neck. And there you go. So once you tighten this down, you can kind of walk around, you can vlog, you could have the camera facing outwards, you could have it facing inward. So it really just depends on how you plan on utilizing this little neck strap. Now again, like I said, you can use it with the Pocket 3. Basically the same thing. You're just going to put this little harness here around the Pocket 3. You'll still have access to your joystick, to your record button. It does block the SD card, but I don't think that's an issue because most likely you're going to be taking your SD card out while you're walking around blogging. And again, if you have a device that requires 1/4, you have that as well. So I think this is a really nice design, but I was thinking also when I was looking at this, other ways that you could use this. You could use this kind of like a tabletop stand. So if you wanted to bend that up, you could adjust this where you could actually use your camera to record, other things. Say for instance, you were doing some tabletop video or photography or something like that. So you could almost shape this perfectly into like a little mini tripod, if you want to think about it from that perspective. It just gives you a little bit more control on what you're doing with the camera. So use your imagination, guys. Think outside of the box. But for what this was intended to be used for, I think it's going to be a great solution. I would add that waist belt if you guys can find one of the waist belts. It doesn't come with it. But again, this is going to be really easy to take apart and detach like you see here. So a lot of flexibility with this unit. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys. So hopefully this video has been informative as well as entertaining. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, guys, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.